watching Let's Chat.
Well, some people may have a lot of questions about dental procedures and in particular sedation dentistry. But don't worry, because we are going to get all of your questions answered with the help of Dr. Hernandez from Chattanooga Dental Care. My mouth will work eventually this morning. Thanks for joining us. Great to see you again.
Yeah, it's good to be back.
All right, so tell me a little bit before we dive into talking about sedation dentistry, just a little backstory about Chattanooga Dental Care.
Chattanooga Dental Care is the office I'm at. It is on Shalford Road. It's been a dental office for several years, and we...
Viewers may be familiar with Dr. Majors, who's been
Yes.
on before. So.
Yeah, Dr. Majors has been there for several years, and I just started with the practice almost a year now. It's been about 9 months, but it's a wonderful practice.
All right, and so today we're going to focus on sedation dentistry, which is just one of the many great services you provide. But tell us what that is exactly.
Sedation dentistry is a service that we provide that allows patients to have a calm and relaxing dental appointment. Usually we give patients a series of small pills, which allows them to have their dental work and relax at the same time.
Who would you say this is for?
It could be for anybody. Sedation dentistry can make a long appointment seem very short, but something like 30 to 50% of patients out there don't come to the dentist because they have dental anxiety or fear of the dentist, and it's really helpful for them.
So this is a way to combat that fear in many ways. Okay, so a lot of people may think that you're putting them to sleep. Is that necessarily the case?
Well, sometimes it's referred to as sleep dentistry because you can fall asleep while you're being sedated. However, the medication does not cause you to fall asleep.
Okay.
You get into a very relaxed state. However, you do not go unconscious at any point. You're able to communicate with the dentist. But a lot of patients do choose to fall asleep during their appointments. They get very relaxed.
It's, I was going to say, just because they're relaxed.
Yeah.
And of course, this is safe, or you wouldn't offer it. So kind of talk about, why it is safe, and then also the benefits as well.
Yeah, it's very safe. We provide it every day for our patients at Chattanooga Dental Care. Like I said, you don't go unconscious, which is a big safety factor. You're able to communicate with the dentist the entire time if you need to, and that makes it very safe.
And the benefits, again, are just being slightly more relaxed if maybe you have some nerves or, and what else am I missing benefit-wise?
Yeah, a huge benefit for nervous or fearful patients. I have patients who come to the practice and haven't been to the dentist in several years because they're just so scared, and someone has finally convinced them to go. And they're very happy to be able to have their dental appointment done in a very short amount of time under sedation, and usually there's no memory of, or very little memory of anything that happened during the appointment for them.
And now this is where, Chattanooga Dental Care is different from other practices because you are going to work with your patient to determine if sedation dentistry is the right fit. Tell us how the process it happens from start to finish as far as, first time meeting the patient, is this a right fit for them?
So we have a dental appointment, an initial appointment, where we assess the patient, kind of look and see what their needs are and make a plan for them, and then talk to them about if they'd like to do sedation. We've got different options. We can make you as comfortable and relaxed without sedation if you wanted to. There's nitrous oxide, which is also helpful to relax, and then dental sedation. But we go over the options, and patients are able to decide how they'd like to do it.
And I love how you're able to really customize the experience to what the patient really needs in many cases with the, the anxiety and the fear that some people have. So how do we get started with you if we want to make that first appointment?
Well, you give us a call at Chattanooga Dental Care. We'll have the number for you at the bottom of the screen. Call Kimberly or Patsy, and they can help set it up for you.
All right. Well, Dr. Hernandez, thanks for joining us. Again, congratulations on your almost year here. It's been a pleasure to have you in the studio, and we'll talk to you again soon.
All right, great. I look forward to it.